How long do you think you can hold a plank position? 20, 30, 40 seconds? Well, whether you're a die-hard plank enthusiast or just starting out, there's something intriguing about dedicating just 1 minute every morning to this exercise. Stick around because today, we're diving into what really happens to your body if you commit to a 1 minute plank ritual. Trust me, it's worth it. So, let's kick things off by talking about the significance of core strength. Sure, you've heard about it, but have you ever wondered what's hiding beneath that six-pack dream? Your core muscles are like the unsung heroes of your body, residing in your midsection. They're the muscles that power almost every movement you make, whether you're aware of it or not. Now, here's where it gets exciting. When you strengthen your core, it's not just about sculpting your abs, it's about improving your overall fitness game. You see, these muscles are not just in it for themselves. They also team up with your arms, legs, and back to make everything you do more efficient and effective. But wait, there's more. Planks are not just about the core, they're a full body experience. As you hold that plank position, your biceps, neck, and shoulder muscles are joining the party. It's like a 2-for-1 deal for anyone into push-ups. And if that's not enough, your glutes, thighs, and even your entire midsection get a makeover too. We're talking about well-rounded fitness in just 1 minute a day. Now, I put myself to the test and embarked on a daily 1-minute plank journey, and the results were mind-blowing. So, if you're curious about the benefits, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, then consider sharing it with someone else who might also like the video. First, let's talk about core definition. Planks engage all major core muscle groups, including the ones you didn't even know existed. Think improved ability to lift weights, better sports performance, hello, jumping like a pro, and yes, a path to that elusive six-pack look. But that's not all. Planking daily also comes with a sweet bonus of reducing your risk of back injury. It's like giving your spine a bodyguard. Imagine building muscle while keeping your spine and hips happy. Are you a fan of burning those extra calories? Planking does it better than traditional ab exercises like crunches. It's like a metabolism booster that lasts all day, which is perfect for those long hours at the desk. And don't we all want to stay fit and energetic? And speaking of desk jobs, do you often find yourself slouching and suffering from poor posture? Planks to the rescue. A stronger posture means less back pain and an overall healthier and more confident appearance. But wait, there's more. Do you struggle with balance? Well, a strong core is the key to standing on one leg without wobbling like a tree in a storm. It's the secret sauce behind those impressive yoga poses and mastering every fitness challenge. Now, here's where it gets even better. Planks do wonders for your flexibility. They stretch out those hard-to-reach muscle groups, making you feel more agile and limber. Plus, they have an incredible impact on your mood, reducing stress and tension. It's like a daily mood boost, but without the caffeine. So, you might be wondering, how do you get started? It's simple. Just 1 minute a day. That's all it takes. Begin with the goal of holding the plank for 60 seconds, or start with less and build up from there. The key is consistency. Now, let's talk technique. Getting into the perfect plank position takes practice, but it's worth it. You start in a push-up position. Bend your elbows 90 degrees. Keep your body straight as a board, and remember to breathe. The moment your form starts to falter, call it a day. Planks are only effective when done right. Doing plank is great, but one of the biggest problems you'll run into is keeping the body you worked so hard to get. So, click on the screen. I'm going to walk you through 3 tips to get lean fast and stay forever lean.